What is up, YouTube? This is Nick, sitting outside. It's pretty hot in eastern Washington, 100 plus for the last few days. Anyway, update on the 2020 F-250 with the 10-speed transmission. The truck had a delayed shift in between second and fourth, like it would fall on its nose, and then a really hard downshift from sixth to fifth going down the big grades around here. Not while towing, but just while it was unloaded. Took it up to the local dealership. Also, something maybe some of you have experienced, when we would tow and then we'd bring that camper back and back it in the driveway here, we'd get it backed up in the driveway and the truck would just die, just completely die, shut off, nothing. Restart perfectly, but it happened 2 or 3 times. So anyway, took it up to the dealership. They said it's part of a TSB that Ford has out. So first step was a relearn on the transmission. Didn't fix it. Fixed it for maybe, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000 miles. Then started doing the same thing again. Then they said it was a valve body, so they replaced the valve body. Everything was good with that. You know, no notes from the tech, no notes from the service writer. And then I took it up this week to have them check it again, which is a transmission, replace the transmission. So they went through the truck, literally just pulling the pan off, checking the filter, and said that I have metal shavings in the filter. So somehow putting a valve body in the transmission caused it to have metal shavings. I don't know, maybe. Don't know. You can put your comments in here on what your thoughts are. I'm not going to speculate, but that doesn't make sense to me. So it's been a week. I dropped it off. Today's Sunday. So a week ago Thursday a week ago Monday. So it hasn't even been a full week. Big fear I had was, are they going to be able to get the transmission? I know things are back ordered, and that was pretty scary. You got a call this week saying, hey, these are on back order. We put a COPUS claim in with Ford. Worst case scenario, it could be many months, could be a couple weeks. So I was scared. We use our truck all the time. It's weird because I'm like, oh, it's no big deal. We have my wife's Lincoln. We can do just fine. Yeah, no. We put a new dishwasher in our house this weekend. We went with my folks upriver on a jet boat. I'm like, hey, we can't fit fishing poles in the Lincoln. Couldn't fit our cooler in the Lincoln. Anyway, missed my truck, ready to have it back. Got a great call on Friday saying that they had sourced a transmission from a dealership in Texas on Friday, and it should be here this coming week. So anyway, if anybody's having these same problems, please let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. And you know what? I hope everybody's doing great. Hope you're having a good weekend. And if you haven't, like and subscribe. Otherwise, peace out, y'all.